guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaishnavi Acharya and yes, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be so interesting. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to show you the beginners makeup products. I can say beginners makeup kit, and all I have this products and I'm going to show each one of it and their uses. So yes, if you're interested, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, if you're interested, let's get into the video. I'm going to show you complete 10 products I can say, and उसमें से 3 products, like excluding those 10 products, I'm going to show you 3 products which are going to be about skincare. So yeah, that's that. That's that. And yes, that was all about the intro. And this pouch says just wing it, life, eyeliner and everything. And yes, that's it. This is how I like my makeup pouches and also makeup products. So yes, these products are going to be affordable as well as quality products. So yes, if you're interested, then keep watching. First thing which I'm going to use after cleansing my face is a toner. It is Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing Plus Radiance, and I like this toner a lot. And I'm just going to take few drops on my hand and just going to dab it all over my skin. Right now I've applied nothing on my skin, just washed my face, and that's it. Now the next thing is this one. It is Fresh Hydrating Gel Cream, and which you can use as a moisturizer. Like I use it as a moisturizer and it gives smooth base as well as it moisturizes your skin well. So I prefer using this one. And I've started recently using, like, switching my products from Dot & Key to this brand, and the results are quite good. Most important step of any makeup or skincare is sunscreen, and I'm using here Dot & Key ka niacinamide sunscreen, and it fades dark spots. Also it gives a glow and white cast bilkul nahi deti. So this sunscreen has to be my favorite one, and that's it. I'm just applying it all over my skin. And make sure that कौन सी भी step miss करो या ना करो, but don't ever miss sunscreen. I've been using the Dot & Key ka lip balm, which used to give amazing tint, but I thought to switch it with this lip balm. It is transparent lip balm and it is from My Glam, and it has SPF in it. So I thought to let's switch the product. Definitely the makeup begins. So the first product which you have to use is a primer. I'm using Swiss Beauty ka illuminating primer over here, this one, and it gives that glow. Also it moisturizes your skin, and it is affordable primer, like under 300 I can say, and it gives beautiful glow on your skin. And I must recommend this product to you definitely. तो कुछ अगर प्राइमर के लिए ट्राई करना है तो definitely go for this product. You just have to pat in this product into your skin and that's it. You don't have to do anything, and it gives that glow, if you can see. So after this, I have this beautiful and useful color corrector, conceal corrector and concealer palette, which is from Inside Cosmetics. In this color corrector, the green one is used for the acne spots. Also the brown one is used for contouring, and the orange one is used to hide your dark circles or pigmentation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take little bit of orange color and just tap it under my eyes. I like to do this step. And after that, I'm just using the green one over my dark spots, if you can see over here, and just I'm going to dab it and keep it like that for few seconds. So a mist is important, like makeup fixer, you can say a mist. This is the aloe vera vitamin E Swiss Beauty ka mist, and also it is an affordable product. Let it set. Use a concealer which is from Forever 52, and this concealer claims that it gives full coverage and it is super blendable. And that's it. I'm just going to apply it wherever it's needed and not more, so that cakiness nahi chahiye mujhe makeup mein. Make sure that you use minimal products, and that's it. And just blend it nicely and take your time. Bas. The next step is to use a foundation. Over here I'm using this foundation which is from L'Oreal. I'm just going to take a little amount of this foundation wherever it's needed. आई प्रिफर ज़्यादा मेकअप नहीं करना मुझे पसंद, जेन्युइनली नहीं पसंद, मुझे सूट भी नहीं करता ज़्यादा मेकअप लाइक, बट स्टिल यूजुअली डोंट डू कॉन्टूरिंग स्टफ्स, बट टुडे आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो लाइक अगर आपके साथ शेयर करना है तो आई थॉट कि लेट्स पूरा कंप्लीटली शेयर कर देती हूँ. आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट एबल टू टॉक टुडे, बट यस दैट्स इट. एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई इट ओवर हियर, जहाँ जहाँ ज़रूरत है वहाँ, लाइक हियर. And yeah, I just use a beauty blender. I prefer beauty blender over brushes, and yeah, that's that. And you can get this beauty, I purchased this beauty blender for ₹100 only. So yeah, I will mention the link in the description box. If you are interested, you can check out. So for the base we are done here, and the next thing is applying a blush. Now I'm going to use a powdered blush which is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Pink Pineapple. Wait, I'll show you. So this is the blush and it retails for ₹3.99. And I'm just going to apply it in an uplifted direction so that it gives an uplifted look, if that makes sense. And I'm a blush person. I love blush. I love to apply blush. So I apply my blush in this direction so that it gives a crisp look. Now the next product is this, which is from My Glam, and it is the face kit. Comes with a setting powder, it comes with a blush, then eyeshadow, and then the highlighter. Apply it evenly over my eyelids. Next thing which I'm going to use is this eyelash curler, and I must say eyelash curler बहुत important है. So the eyelash curler does the work of curling your lashes, and it's so important. Can you see the difference? So the next thing which I'm going to use is this mascara, which is from Sugar Cosmetics. Talking about the mascara gives a complete look and a bold look, I can say, and this mascara which is from Sugar Cosmetics is my go-to mascara. I can say this is my go-to product from so long, and I love this mascara. Can you see the difference? Oh my god, this mascara is a must-have thing. I am obsessed with this mascara. Next up is a kajal. This is from LA18. Next thing is an eyeliner, but I don't prefer to use eyeliner every time. I just wanted you to show this. That's why this is from Maybelline. Now the next thing is this, I can say, lip pencil, and this is in the brown shade. I just outlined my lip with this lip pencil. I use this nude shade which is from Clay Me Tea. So I have been using this lipstick for a year now, and I'm completely obsessed. It is so lightweight and also affordable that I just use this blush over it. So the last step is highlighter, and this is the Revolution 4K highlighter palette, and this comes in 4 shade, and it retails for ₹1550. And I'm just going to use the silver shade from this one, and just going to apply it over my highest points. You can see the glow. And agar kuch zyada laga to you can use your beauty blender to dab it in. As the last step is this makeup fixer again, and you just have to set your makeup. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, if you want more such videos, then do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that's it. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.